This video we'll see how to add a shop to a Facebook page. Now click on the page and go to the Manage tab. You can see on the side some of the tabs over here. You click on Manage tab. Here you can see the template as standard. Click on Change Template and apply the shopping template. This is recommended for all the pages who wants to create the shop. And click on Apply Template. Okay, once you have applied the template, if you go down, you can see that the shop tab is added here. In case if you have not seen this, then you can go down and click on Add tab and you can add the shop tab again. Now please make sure that you are dragging this shop tab here and putting it near the home. This will give a easy access to the customers. So, and if you click on page and go to the home, you can see that the shop tab has created near the home. So now your shop setup is done at high level. Now you can click on the shop tab. So you can see a pop-up message saying set up your shop section. So you can read through the agreement and you can say I agree and complete it. So here you can see checkout on your website, and another one is message to buy. Message to buy is used for manual coordination, and customer can message to the page admin and buy the item. So click on checkout on the website and click on OK. You can select it as Indian rupee or corresponding currency and click on save. So now your shop is set up, and now you can add your products. So in the add product section, so here you can see the product listing details. So as a Native Bag affiliate, we have sent you the link with the Excel sheet. In this Excel sheet you can find all the list of products. So you can browse through these list of products, and you can download this Excel sheet in your local. Here you can be able to view the page ID after your page name, concatenate with hyphen. In sometimes it won't be visible, but you can go to the page about us section and see the page ID over there, or else you can right click and see view source. And search for the page ID, and you can see a number over here. This is the page ID. So copy this and paste it in the Excel sheet. So when you paste this, if you see the checkout link, this particular column will have this page ID appended to the products link. So this is the affiliate ID which will be sent to the Native Bag. So based on this page ID, Native Bag will start giving the commission to you. So copy paste the page ID for all the products and have it saved. So whenever you create the product, please make sure you copy paste the link along with this page ID to get the appropriate commission. So I am selecting now see based on the product location. Say I am selecting Bangalore, or else if you can opt to select Coorg or any other places according to your need. So all the specialities are listed in Native Bag, and this is a subset of items which we have provided initially. and I'm selecting Mayamma's Homemade brand in Bangalore. So the first one is the product title, so I'm copying that and I'm going to the shop, add product, and then I'm pasting that name here. So, and then the next is price. I'll copy that and paste it here. I'm pasting the description. Okay, price and the checkout link, which will have the page ID here. Okay, add image. Okay. So now you can give the direct link, whatever we have given here, copy that image link and paste it in your upload file. So if you have an internet, it will automatically upload the image from this particular link and say use photo. You can also add multiple images over here or the videos, and you can say feature the product and click on save. Okay, so your first product is added now. You can be able to see in the featured list itself. You can add products again. So select the photo for the next product. Okay, now I will select different brand. Say I am selecting this one. Okay, now I'll copy this image. Yes, this is loaded. Okay, use image and then product name. Okay, copy this name, price. Okay, description and the checkout URL with the page ID. I'll also feature this product here, so I'll check that particular tab and then save. Okay, okay, now you are able to see both the items here. Okay, if you click the item, and here you can see the message button as well as checkout on the website. When you click on this checkout, it goes to the Native Bag website and you can see the page ID linked here. So whenever the consumer comes here, this page ID will be stored. So whatever items he buys from here, you can click on buy and he can provide the email ID and do the checkout. So whenever the customer buys the item, that particular order information will have the affiliate as your page ID. So all the details will be stored under your page and you will get the appropriate commission. We'll go back. Okay, we are in the shop again. Now go to manage tab. Here go to the publishing tools. And you can see the shop over here. Click on products to see all the list of products. Here you can be able to add new products here itself, or you can delete the products by selecting all or each one. Okay, you can click view shop to go back to the shop. Here there is a share shop button, so you click on that and share your shop to your Facebook page feed. So all your page fans will come to know that there is a shop existing, and here they can in fact click on subscribe and subscribe to the shop, so that any new products added will they'll come to know. So here you can even delete the shop over here, or you can improve the shop. So improve shop, if you click, you can go to the Facebook page help documents, and you can get the most of your shop by going through these articles. Now you can publish the shop to your Facebook page, and all your Facebook fans will come to know about it. And whenever they buys an item, each order commission will be calculated and paid out to you. Happy shopping and happy marketing. Thanks.